Hey there, Bussi by Travis is back. We have been cruising with students like you for the past amazing year. Whether it's your daily ride or a cool trip, we are here for your journey. And guess what? This tutorial is all about making it easy for you. Feel free to skip around and go directly to the bits you want. Ready? Let's roll with Bussi by Travis. Let's begin by installing the app first. Go to bussi.travel.live on Android and click on the three dots, select Install App from the drop-down menu. For iOS, go to your preferred browser, select Share and then select Add to Home Screen. After installing the app, open it, allow notification and head to the Bussi section for a range of commuting services. From buses to cabs to travelers, we have got it all. Now choose your boarding point, pick your destination and select the date to view options available for that day. You can also choose multiple dates at once. On the cards, you can see the pre-booking charges. So let's talk about pre-booking charges first. The reason to introduce pre-booking charges was, it's a money saver for you guys. By knowing the total number of students in advance, we can offer you the best possible price for your trips. Note that the pre-booking charges are non-refundable. You can also check the estimated final price and perks for each vehicle. For instance, a two-seater bus is the most cost-effective, while a sleeper bus offers the most bang for your buck and comfort, making a 6-hour-long journey feel like a breeze. Is your favorite seat already booked? No worries. Check out the multiple options and choose from any available option. Then, pick your favorite seats hassle-free. Now enter the email ID and the phone number where you want to receive your tickets. After that, complete the passenger information. Please note that filling this information is necessary as it helps us seek permissions from administration more efficiently. Moreover, students who have completed their profiles will enjoy more discounts and offers on their subsequent trips. So don't forget to complete your profiles. After filling up the information, you can proceed to pay pre-booking charges and confirm your seats. Now you can pay easily by clicking the Pay via UPI button. Please note that on iOS you will be taken to WhatsApp by default for payments. We are working on a fix. If you are on iOS and you don't use WhatsApp for payments, kindly pay by scanning the QR code. Android users though won't face any problem in this. They can directly pay by clicking on the button. After payment, upload the screenshot to complete the process and make sure that the transaction ID is visible in the screenshot.